Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy a duplex as an investment property, follow these step-by-step instructions to make a smart real estate purchase. Step 1. Understand the benefits of duplex investing. You can live in one unit while renting the other to offset your mortgage, or rent both units for steady passive income while building equity. Step 2. Get pre-approved for a mortgage by gathering financial documents including tax returns, pay stubs, bank statements, and credit reports. Consider FHA loans, which allow you to buy a duplex with as little as 3.5% down if you plan to live in one unit. Step 3. Research neighborhoods and markets where duplexes are available and rental demand is strong. Look for areas with good schools, low crime, job growth, and amenities that attract quality tenants. Step 4. Analyze potential properties by calculating expected rental income, operating expenses including property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and vacancy rates to ensure positive cash flow. Step 5. Inspect the property thoroughly by hiring a professional home inspector to identify any structural issues, needed repairs, or code violations that could affect your investment or require expensive fixes. Step 6. Negotiate the purchase price based on comparable sales, property condition, and your financial analysis. Factor in repair costs when making your offer to ensure the deal still makes financial sense. Step 7. Secure financing and close on the property, then make any necessary repairs or upgrades before finding tenants. Screen applicants carefully by checking credit, income, employment, and rental history. Step 8. Manage the property effectively by collecting rent on time, maintaining the units, responding to tenant issues promptly, and keeping detailed financial records for tax purposes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.